We'll leave you with one more inspirational idea, a pumpkin and succulents arrangement to greet you at your kitchen window, perk up a bookshelf, or maybe grace a sofa table. We step into the Studio 5 project corner for the details on this delightful dollar store design.
Hi friends, it's Jamielyn from iHeartNaptime.net, where I share free recipe and craft ideas online. Today in my craft room, I am working on these fun pumpkin succulents that I made for just a couple dollars. I recently saw them in a retail store for $35 each, and I knew I could make them at home for much less. To get started, all you're going to need is a foam pumpkin from the dollar store, a glue gun, Spanish moss, succulents, metallic paint, something to cut the pumpkin with, and a little bit of free time. Once I had the top cut off, I found some metallic paint, and then all I did was add a few brush strokes along the sides of the pumpkin. Took no time at all. This is a great project to do during nap time because it will take less than an hour. So just go around until it is more decorative, and then once your paint is dry, you can start filling the pumpkin. And I found these succulents. You'll just pull the top off, woo, there we go, and add a little bit of hot glue to the top. And then you can just stick it right in wherever you like. And I thought it'd be fun to add some color, so I found these roses on clearance as well. It really doesn't take much time at all to make these, and pretty soon you'll have a fun and festive fall decoration. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for having me.
Oh my gosh, she was throwing around words like clearance aisle, dollar store. Those are a DIYer's dream words come true. And I love that that piece can transition you from summer to fall. Awesome, Jamie. Thank you so much.